Okay, so we know what is a median. What is a median? A, B, C. Median is a line segment. Remember line segment. Okay, it is a segment. Median is a line segment which divides this into two equal parts. Okay, the opposite side into two equal parts. That's a median. So theorem of median for similar triangle is corresponding medians of similar triangle are proportional. So if this is one triangle and let's say there is another triangle called DE, let me call it like this, DEF, and let's say this ABC is similar to DEF, and this is another median for it, and this is already E. Instead of E, I'll call it G, and I'll call it H. Okay, so AG is a median here and DH is a median here. So AG is to DH shall be ratio of similitude. That's the theorem. So AG it is to DH, ratio of the a median is equal to ratio of similitude. And what is ratio of similitude? That you already know. That is AB is to DE, or it is EF, BC is to EF. Okay, all these ratios are equal and they are ratio of similitude, or AC is to DF. So repeating again, medians, ratio of similar triangles median is equal to ratio of similitude. Okay, and the other three properties are almost the same. So altitude, if there are two triangles and altitude, you know altitude is the height, and there is another similar triangle, altitude is again height, then the ratio of altitude is equal to ratio of similitude. So I'll just call AG and DH. If these two triangles are similar and this is the altitude, then AG is to DH shall be ratio of similitude. Okay, this is the second theorem. First we saw about the median. Second is about, this was about the median. This is about uh, the altitude. And the third theorem is about the angle bisector. So angle bisector also you know. So let me make like this and like this another triangle. Again I'll call DEF and I'll call ABC. ABC. If this is angle bisector is again a line segment which divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay, so this is angle bisector. So AG, GDH. So here also same thing will apply. AG is to DH shall be equal to ratio of similitude. So these are the three properties for the similar triangles. If these two triangles are similar, then the median, the altitude, the angle bisector, their ratios shall be equal to ratio of similitude.